Letting go of guilt and fear is one of the most profound steps toward healing and accepting a fulfilling life. By focusing on self-forgiveness and releasing negative emotions, we make space for peace and growth. This guided meditation helps you release what no longer serves you, offering you the opportunity to reconnect with your true, powerful self. Self-forgiveness is a key component of releasing guilt. Often we carry the weight of past mistakes, allowing them to define our present. The first step in the healing process is to acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and it's a part of being human. Begin by sitting comfortably and taking a few deep breaths. Let the air fill your lungs and feel the relaxation with each exhale. Now, repeat this affirmation silently or aloud. I forgive myself for past mistakes and release any feelings of guilt. This statement sets the intention to begin healing, reminding you that it is okay to let go. Picture yourself gently releasing all the past wrongs you've been holding on to. Visualize these memories dissolving into light as they no longer have the power to control your emotions. Forgiveness is not about excusing your actions, but about allowing yourself the freedom to move forward. In this moment, you are free from the emotional weight you've carried. Continue focusing on your breath, knowing that each inhale brings you closer to inner peace. As you forgive yourself, you also create space for love and compassion. This process may take time, but every day you practice this forgiveness, the lighter you will feel. Fear is a barrier that keeps us from accepting the fullness of life. It can cloud our judgment, limit our potential, and hold us back from pursuing our dreams. Letting go of fear requires trust and surrender, knowing that you are supported by the universe. Start by visualizing a situation where fear has taken hold of you. This could be fear of failure, fear of judgment, or even fear of the unknown. Picture that fear as a dark cloud hovering over you, limiting your ability to move forward. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the cloud slowly lifting and disappearing. Say to yourself, I release all fears that prevent me from moving forward. With each breath, feel the tension in your body dissolve. You are not your fear, and you have the strength to release it. Allow this feeling of lightness to wash over you as you continue breathing deeply. Fear thrives on resistance, but when we let go and accept uncertainty, we open the door to new possibilities. Trust that you are always guided and protected, and that any fear is just a temporary barrier to your ultimate success. We often carry emotional attachments to past pain, whether it stems from relationships, experiences, or unhealed wounds. These attachments drain our energy and keep us stuck in the past, unable to fully accept the present. To begin releasing these attachments, find a quiet space where you can fully relax. Close your eyes and visualize yourself standing in front of a door. On the other side of the door is all the emotional pain you've been carrying. See it clearly. Perhaps it's a specific memory, an unresolved issue, or a person who caused you harm. Now, gently open the door and allow the pain to flow out of you. See it leaving your body, dissipating into the air, and being replaced with peace. As you watch this release, repeat, I am free from the emotional burdens of the past. With each breath, you feel lighter and the emotional attachment fades. By releasing emotional attachments, you free yourself from their hold, creating space for joy, peace, and healing. Trust that this release is bringing you closer to your authentic self and to the life you deserve. In the process of healing, self-compassion plays a crucial role. When we are kind and understanding with ourselves, we create an environment for healing to flourish. Take a moment to place your hands over your heart and breathe deeply. Feel the warmth of your hands and the connection to your body. Say to yourself, I am deserving of love, compassion, and healing. Allow yourself to fully accept these words, knowing that you are worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Each breath you take brings in compassion, as you accept your flaws, mistakes, and imperfections. Compassion is about accepting yourself as you are, without judgment. It's the practice of being gentle with your heart as you navigate life's challenges. As you cultivate self-compassion, you create a solid foundation of love that can withstand any difficulty. Allow yourself to feel the softness of this compassion and know that you are doing your best. Healing takes time, and with each compassionate step, you are moving closer to the peace and happiness you deserve. Control is an illusion, and trying to manage every aspect of life only leads to stress and frustration. The path to healing requires surrender, the act of letting go and trusting that everything is unfolding as it should. To begin, acknowledge the areas of your life where you feel the need to control outcomes. Imagine these areas as tight knots in your body. With each breath, feel the knots begin to loosen and release. As you exhale, say to yourself, I trust the process of life, and release the need to control. Let go of the urge to micromanage every detail, and trust that things are falling into place, even when it's not immediately clear. As you release control, you'll feel a sense of calm wash over you. There is peace and surrender, and as you trust the universe, you create more space for miracles to unfold. Continue to breathe deeply and accept the freedom that comes with releasing control. Healing is not linear, and it's important to trust that your journey will unfold at its own pace. Trust that the universe is supporting you every step of the way, and know that all challenges are opportunities for growth. Take a moment to close your eyes and visualize a beautiful river flowing peacefully before you. This river represents your healing journey, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but always moving forward. As you watch the water flow, repeat, I trust my healing journey and the path that lies ahead. Healing requires patience and faith. Trust that even on difficult days, you are moving toward a greater sense of peace. Allow yourself to accept the process, knowing that every step, no matter how small, is part of your growth. As you release guilt, fear, and emotional attachments, you make room for new possibilities and experiences. Let go of what no longer serves you and open yourself to the future. Know that by making space for healing, you are welcoming abundance, joy, and love into your life. Close your eyes and visualize your life filled with peace, happiness, and fulfillment. See yourself letting go of the past and accepting a bright future. Say, I release the old to make room for the new. Each breath you take symbolizes the release of the old and the acceptance of the new. You are creating a future full of hope and promise, one where you are aligned with your highest self. Limiting beliefs are thought patterns that hold us back from reaching our full potential. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained in our subconscious, stemming from past experiences or societal conditioning. They tell us what we can't do, what we don't deserve, or what we are incapable of achieving. But when we choose to confront and release these beliefs, we free ourselves to step into a more expansive and empowered version of who we are. Begin by identifying any limiting beliefs that have been lingering in your mind. Maybe you've believed that success is out of reach, that you're not worthy of love, or that your dreams are unrealistic. Acknowledge these thoughts without judgment, knowing that they no longer serve you. Now, visualize them as small stones weighing you down. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine these stones dissolving into the air, their hold over you weakening with every breath. Now replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, if you felt unworthy of success, say, I am worthy of all the success and happiness that life has to offer. If you've been afraid of failure, replace that with, every step I take brings me closer to my dreams, and I learn from every experience. As you repeat these empowering statements, feel the shift within you. With each affirmation, the chains of limitation loosen and release their grip on your mind. This process may take time, but with patience and consistency, you will begin to notice a shift in your thoughts and actions. As you release limiting beliefs, you will open the door to new opportunities and experiences, fully aligned with your true potential. Keep nurturing this growth, knowing that the more you believe in yourself, the more you will achieve. The universe is always ready to support you in manifesting your highest aspiration. The journey of letting go of guilt and fear is one of the most empowering and freeing experiences you can have. As you release these burdens, you allow peace, love, and healing to take root within you. Trust in your ability to heal, knowing that you are always supported by the universe. If this meditation resonated with you, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more healing content. You are on the path to greater peace and happiness, and your healing journey is just beginning.